So the washer jets had stopped working on my 996. Did some testing and checked all the pipes and so on, and I couldn't find any issues, so I'm assuming it's something to do with the way the tank was working. So in order to get to the tank, you've got to take out the wheel arch liner, and then there is a 13mm nut that holds it in place at the top, and then two suction cups at the back that push into the body of the car, and they just need to be pulled out. You then have two connectors, one which is for the pump and the other which is for the level sensor, which is just here. So having got my son to sit in the car with the tank connected and the pump connected, tested it out, and the pump was making no noise at all, so it looked like there was either a problem with the electrics to the pump or the pump itself. So the next stage was to use a multimeter and put the two connectors onto the connecting pins of the plug, and then test the pump the washer jets working again, and that showed there was actually voltage coming through to the plug, so it was almost certainly the pump that was at fault. When I looked at the pump, it looked in pretty poor condition, so suspected that was the issue. Managed to find a replacement one on eBay, brand new, for £10, and purchased that, and that is now fitted to the tank. So I've just connected up the new pump to the cable, and put some liquid in the tank, and that has all worked properly. Pump comes into life and makes a noise and pumps out the water. So all we need to do is just refit the tank back in, put the two wires back in place, connect these plugs onto the tank, and we'll all be good to go. So yeah, just really wanted to show the benefits of having a multimeter for being able to test the plug to make sure that there is actually voltage coming through and it's not a wiring problem, that it is actually the pump that was faulty. But having replaced the pump, we're all good to go.